So this is a question video and a test video, because I had a question the other day and it's to do with the Mini 5 Pro. Come on DJI, get these updates sorted out. Anyway, he's done the latest update, which was the other week, and that was mainly to do with the DJI Fly app and obviously the RC2 controller, but related around the Neo 2 when it had a couple new modes put on the phone thing. But he did say what he went out the other day to do the dynamic return to home, and it didn't work. So the whole point of this video is to see, does it work or doesn't it work? So get on with it. This is going to be interesting because obviously I can't use my tripod now, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch the drone now. So the drone goes up in the air. I will put on the video as well, so that's on. I'm going to send the drone up a little bit more. Right, I'm going to send the drone back. Right, because what I want to do is draw a box around me and put it onto ActiveTrack.
Subject starts moving. Aircraft will fly to set direction.
Right, so the drone's going to... Okay, let's just turn myself around onto May so you can see me. So what's going to happen, the drone's going to follow the car, and well, I'll just get in the car first, because the first thing we can do is see if we can do the dynamic. Get myself set up in the car. I'll need to get one of these camera holders, I think. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay, so what we can do now, we can see if we can do the update. Right, and that's the dynamic. Okay, so
home point updated.
Right, so that's been done. Well, I can just take it off the screen a minute. It's gone blue, so you know, that's looking good. That's working. And we'll just see. Now, what tends to happen, I've noticed, with some of these updates, some people get problems and some people don't. Right. What I need to do. So the drone's still there. We got 54%. Oh, God. Right, it's right. Where's where I put the thing down. Okay, so let's have a look. I suppose that's one advantage having an automatic. I ain't got to worry about the gears. Right, it's obviously not the best of tracks to drive up, and I can see the dynamic thing moving with the car. So it probably looks like that either you haven't done it correctly, or this is the other thing, it's possible you may have a bug, because not everybody gets these problems. I mean, I'm having some major issues with the waypoints, especially to do with the actual mission itself, where it keeps stopping. I know I'm not the only one, but I have noticed other people seem to be having the same problem. But that's what happens. But anyway, I can safely say, looking at this, I will, when I go down this track, I will stop the car, and we're to see, by pressing return to home, it's going to come back to me in the car. So, right, so I'm just waiting to see the home point thingy. Usually it's above the car. Right, nobody's coming. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to drive down to my other favourite place, which is a lone tree. Okay, let's put that there. Yeah, and we're just going to go down there. So we've gone quite a distance. And I'm right in thinking the drone's still following the car. So that's good. Anyway, it's one thing. It's good that it's still working, that's the main thing. I've been doing quite a few of these in the past couple of weeks anyway, on different drones. and it would have been a shame if the Mini 5 Pro had another problem, but it looks like, well, for me anyway, mine's fine. So it's just, I'm just coming to the tree now, and we'll see what happens, because I want to make sure in a nice clear area, just in case somebody did turn up. Okay, so let's stop the car, put that in brake. What I'm going to do now is change. I haven't got enough hands. I'm going to do return to home.
Return to home.
Right, I'm going to unstrap myself. I'm going to end up knackering myself. I'm trying to get out of the car. Right. Okay. It's all looking good. Drone's coming. Now, the other good thing about the dynamic is it will stay up there, guys. Right. Okay, so let's bring it down. Just looking up. Just go. Yeah, it would have. You know what? It would have been virtually on the car. So I can put that around. So you can see the drone there. So let's push it over that way. I'm not going to do an Andy or anybody else that catches drones, because I don't believe in catching drones myself. I just think it's a little bit dangerous. Being an old bloke, I've got enough war wounds. Right, so right. Okay, so it's landed. So, short video, but a good video, that's the main thing. So, from what the guy was saying, yours may still not be working, I don't know. And if that's the case, then you need to contact DJI so they can get on it, because the more people that complain about things that when they don't work, they won't do nothing about it. So the more people sending a message to DJI support, they'll have a look into it. But as you can see, with mine worked fine. So, a short video, but a good video. Anyway, I'm going to say, catch you on another video. Turn up!